Puzder, policy advisor for America First Policies. Andy, we need your advice. Suppose you're one of our viewers within 5 years of retirement. What advice would you give them if they've got investments in the stock market right now?
Well, I'd tell them to calm down. Look, everything's going to look like a buy pretty soon with stocks going down, but just take it calm. The fundamentals are good. With tax cuts, with regulatory relief, we're going to see businesses' profits go up. Consumers have more money. That's going to drive profits up. Volatility is normal. Think back to 1987. If you're within 5 years of retirement, you can probably remember 1987. Stock market dropped 22% one day in October. Then there was a big panic. You look back at it now, it was the biggest buying opportunity in history. This could be a very big buying opportunity, but for the moment, I just hang in there and wait and see what happens. The fundamentals are solid.
What's wrong with the following idea? You sell half of any stock where you've got a big gain. Let's suppose you've got some stock in Amazon, sell half of it, lock in the gain, sleep well at night because you're no longer risking a lot of your money. What's wrong with that?
Well, the only problems with one is you're going to have to pay tax on the capital gain. So you're going to end up paying tax now that you don't have to pay, number one. Number two, you're going to have to find someplace else that you want to put the money. Now, if there's someplace that you think is going to give you as big a return as where your investment is currently, then you should sell and you should put it where you can get the bigger return as long as the tax impact isn't too significant. However, if you like your stock, if you think the stock's going to do well in the future, I just hang on to it. I think we're going to see a recovery out of this. I don't think we're going to, I don't know how far down it's going to go, but I don't think it's going to go down so much that it's going to be crippling to people. I think we're going to see a recovery, and I think, look, I'm going to buy this afternoon. I've already talked to my investment advisors this morning, told them to look for stocks that we can buy because there's going to be good pricing.
Okay. Scott Shellady is joining us now. He's the Executive Vice President. Puzder, just a few minutes ago, you told us that you were thinking of buying some stuff, some shares today. Without giving too much away, would you care to tell us what you're thinking of buying?
Well, I'm thinking, broadly, industrials would be a good investment. I think the prices have gone down significantly. They're reactive to the economy. They're cyclical stocks. We may have infrastructure coming in and infrastructure spending coming in. It looks like defense spending may go up. So I think, Boeing, Raytheon, some of these industrial stocks could do real well. Steel could do real well. I still like tech. I like the fact that the profits are strong. I like as Liz mentioned earlier, I like the fact they have a lot of cash on their balance sheet. So I think those are two stocks that I'd look at. Plus, you have to look at financials. If interest rates are going up, you would think that would help the financial stocks. I'm not as bullish on them, but I feel good about industrials and tech.
All right. You are watching an extraordinary show. Actually, it's an extraordinary moment.